Arpaio, 85, the self-proclaimed toughest sheriff in America, lost a bid for re-election in Arizona's Maricopa County in November after 24 years in office. He is known for his crackdown on undocumented immigrants and investigating unfounded Trump-supported claims questioning former President Barack Obama's citizenship. Arpaio said his lawyer was sent a copy of the pardon on Friday afternoon and he planned a press conference to discuss what he said were new details in the case. He declined to say if he would run again for sheriff. "I'm not going away," added Arpaio. He later told Fox News in a phone interview that at the press conference, to be held Monday or Tuesday, he would try to get to the bottom of this and show the abuse of the judicial system and politics. "I'm not going down with trying to defend myself to all those people who don't like what I have done." Saying that Friday was his wife's birthday, Arpaio told Fox News, "This is a good present for her." Civil rights advocates slammed Trump's decision as an endorsement of racist and unlawful immigration policies. Once again, the president has acted in support of illegal, failed immigration enforcement practices that target people of color and that have been struck down by the courts, said American Civil Liberties Union Deputy Legal Director Cecilia Wong, who sought the court injunction against Arpaio. The pardon sent a dangerous message that a law enforcement officer who abused his position of power and defied a court order can simply be excused by a president who himself clearly does not respect the law. Vanita Gupta, president of the Leadership Conference on Civil and Human Rights and former head of the U.S. Justice Department's Civil Rights Division, said in a statement. Alejandra Gomez, co-executive director of Living United for Change in Arizona, LUCHA, said, "President Trump pardoned a terrorist tonight." Joe Arpaio intentionally terrorized immigrant communities across Arizona for decades and traumatized an entire generation of Arizonans. "The only proper place for him is in a jail cell," Gomez said in a statement. Democratic Senator Patrick Leahy said it was disheartening that he set the bar so very low for his first pardon. "The ex-sheriff is a self-aggrandizing braggart who promoted racist law enforcement practices and cost taxpayers millions, and that is a reason they did not re-elect him. After the racism and hate in Charlottesville, our country needs to come together and heal. But that healing will not come from a president who only exploits divisions and fears," Leahy said in a statement. Arpaio, who campaigned for Trump in 2016, was convicted on July 31 by U.S. District Judge Susan Bolton, who ruled he had willfully violated a 2011 injunction barring his officers from stopping and detaining Latino motorists solely on suspicion that they were in the country illegally. Arpaio admitted to inadvertently disobeying the court order but said his behavior did not meet a criminal standard. He said the prosecution was a politically motivated attempt by the Obama administration to undermine his re-election bid. Arpaio had been scheduled to be sentenced on October 5 and faced a fine and maximum sentence of 6 months in jail. His controversial tenure as sheriff brought Arpaio national headlines for massive roundups of suspected illegal immigrants and for the way he ran the Maricopa County Jail. He reinstated chain gangs, made inmates wear uniforms that were pink or old-fashioned black and white stripes and forbade them coffee, salt and pepper.